Like that is straight. And I'm just gonna put it in right there. It's on the dot, okay? I'm literally doing it. Ow. Fuck. Well, I don't need to fucking say, hey guys, I'm gonna pierce my ear. Like, you read the title. I want it like up in here, right before the cartilage starts, which maybe is a little risky, but I think as long as I make sure I'm not piercing into any cartilage, I'll be fine. Right? Okay. Okay, first step, clean it with a little alcohol pad. I don't know if it's worth drawing a dot because, like, how will I even see? Like, maybe I should just go for it. Yeah, I really just want to get this over with. I'm nervous, okay? Here's what it looks like. Pretty threatening. The earring is literally what pierces your ear. Like the kind of ear piercings you get at Claire's when you're a kid. Oh my god. This is such a bad idea. Okay. So it's gonna go like... See, that's the problem with this, is it's so hard to see what you're doing. So I'm gonna put it right through there like that. That's already not straight. Okay, I should draw a dot. That'll probably help. What do I use, eyeliner? Am I sure this is not cartilage? Pretty sure, like at least 75% sure. Right here. Right? Does that look good to you? Thought so. I don't know. What if I fuck this up so bad? And then that'll be a hole forever. Okay. Now I'm really gonna go for it. It's just like, I know I'm not holding it straight, but it's impossible to hold it straight because that's my ear. Like, it's a body part. I should probably just not do it. That's straight, right? Okay. And then you just press it in like that. Oh my god, it's gonna hurt. I just have to do it. Is that straight? Am I holding it straight? Do you think so? I did have it straight. Like, if I had just not pussied out, I'd have an earring in right now. Okay, now I have to do it. I'm gonna get it straight, and then I'm gonna press the thing in. See, it's like spring loaded like that. So I guess you just like do it fast. Oh my god. Okay. Is that straight? It's on the dot. It's not straight. Literally, why did I think this was easier than just going to a piercing shop and paying $20? I swear to God I had it straight that one time and then I didn't pierce it. Okay, so that's the back. That's the needle. Is that straight? But then I'm not on the dot. Okay, like that. Sure, it's good enough, right? It's like a stapler. It's like I'm stapling my ear. What if I look in the camera? Will that help me? No, because that's how I started and it No way. Okay, that's straight. Can you all see though? No? Like that is straight. And I'm just gonna put it in right there. It's on the dot. Okay, I'm literally doing it. Ow! Fuck. Did it work? What's going on now? Why is this thing stuck to my ear? Yeah, that wasn't straight. I didn't think so. Okay, and then you just take off the plastic. Oh. It's in. Is it in properly at the back? I don't trust anything about this. I guess so. It's really not straight. Okay, well, it's pierced. Let me clean it. I got this saline spray. It doesn't hurt yet. I'm still in shock, I guess. It's starting to hurt right now that I said that, because now I'm thinking about it. Ow. It hurts. I fucking hate getting a new piercing. I love having piercings, but getting a piercing is the worst. The healing process, like, I'm such a baby. Well, now I have 3 piercings in each ear. If nothing else, I've become more symmetrical as a result of this experience. So I feel like the placement isn't exactly what I wanted, but it's not terrible either. This is a really big earring. I got these little earrings to put in it. They're gold with a tiny rhinestone, so it's gonna go in there if everything works out. I wish it was now. I don't remember how long until I can change this. 6 to 8 weeks. Okay, I'm gonna like take some Tylenol and curl up in a ball and cry until it feels better. Okay, so this is like a month later. I just wanted to update you guys. I've calmed down and I actually really like this piercing. It's like it fits in so well with my ear that I literally forget that it's new. It feels like I've always had it. And I think I did pretty okay with the placement. I mean, I don't know where exactly the hole is because, like I said, this is a big earring. But I mean, it works. I still have the piercing earring in because the ones I bought that I showed you, they're a thicker gauge, so I need to wait till it's like fully healed so I can stretch it. But I don't want to wait like 3 months to end this video. Yeah, so I don't know. I guess I just wanted to let you know I survived. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!